trying to figure out, he's got to get it figured out for next weekend. This is a stick on Jeffrey Lava up against Donald Lava. So I guess this is a father and son, or brother, or father, I don't know, whatever. In the pickup truck is Donald, and in the power side of the fountain is Nick. Trying to figure out, he's got to get it figured out for next weekend.
Thank you.
Sounds good there.
Thanks. So everyone, the first run of the day was an 855 at 83, then an 845 at 83, and now we just did an 839 at 84 with a 19660 foot. But I cut a real good reaction time and beat that diesel truck next to me. He lifted out before the end of the 8th mile. He's just trying, I think, to get a 60 foot worked out and everything. But yeah, that was a good run. Every run I've gone, we've gone a little bit faster, so that's not bad. 8.3, almost 6,000 pound SUV is not the worst you could do on a hot 90-degree day. But anyways, take it easy, and we'll catch everyone on the ride home maybe and see what we can get into.